When packing for this activity, make sure you take 1 pitcher of water to share amongst the entire club. You'll want to identify the water source before club starts so you can fill this pitcher up in the bathroom sink and the water fountain in the hallway. Just make sure you identify your water source and get this pitcher filled up before club starts. Additionally, each student will need a 9-ounce clear cup, 1 full-size cork, 10 large paper clips, 2 medium binder clips, a single packing peanut. We'll want to take plenty of paper towels for all of the girls to have in case we spill some water, a 1-inch piece of noodle, a 2-inch piece of sponge, 3 small binder clips, 5 of these little circular washers, some duct tape, some masking tape, and an 18-inch piece of fishing line.